In this little video, I'm gonna share with you how I dyed my hair rosé pink, very light pink, using Bleach London and Loreal bleach. This is the first time that I use Bleach London, so come with me and I'll show you in 5 minutes how it went. Keep watching! If you want to dye your hair into any of the rainbow colors, you will have to bleach your hair first, unless your hair is very blonde, which is quite rare. In this video I'm using Loreal bleach, but you can use any brand that you get your hands on. It will take out your own hair color and make it light enough to bring out pastel colors. As you can see, I'm just blending in all the ingredients into the mixing bottle that you use to apply the color as well. You can follow the instructions that come with the box. My name is Charlotta, by the way. Hey boy, and welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe if you're new to my channel, if you like this kind of videos. Now on with the gloves, and as you can see, my hair is already bleached, so I'm only gonna dye my roots, and I will do so by sectioning up my hair and then just applying the bleach into my roots. If your hair is dark, you would have to bleach all of your hair, and you will probably then need more than one box. This one box is plenty just for my roots. I usually throw away more than half of it. But yeah, if your hair is long, you would need probably 2 or 3 boxes. And then I apply it to my roots. So I literally just go section by section, and I'm gonna speed this up because you can see already how I'm doing this. I do try to apply this within 10 minutes so that the color will be even. You know, it starts working immediately when you apply it to your hair. So yes, apply it within 10 minutes to make the color fairly even. To apply the color to the back of your head, you would need 2 angled mirrors. So I have one on both sides, so I can see what I'm doing in my neck. And then I just apply again only to the roots, so that it doesn't damage my already bleached hair. And now that I've applied it to all of my hair, I'm gonna leave it in for 45 minutes. So I'm just tying it up for it to be out of the way, and then leave it to do its magic. So now that I've applied it to all of my hair, I'm gonna go and check on sleeping Sophia. She's stayed asleep for all this time. And then I continued with the rosé the following day. So after I left the color in for 45 minutes, I washed it out and I put the conditioner in for a while as well. And Sophia says hello, and she says now it's time to add the rosé shampoo. And here is how my hair turned out. Now, unfortunately, the light is quite strong in our bathroom, so you can't see the color that clearly. That's why I added a photo up here in the corner. It's just a light rosé pink, so nothing too radical, and just like I like it. I found it a little bit challenging to apply the shampoo evenly into all of my hair. So I'm gonna try this out for a couple of weeks, and I might do a do's and don'ts videos once I figure out how to apply it really nicely. The color will come out after 2 to 3 washes. Did you try any of Bleach London's colors? They have a lot of different ones to choose from. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. How was your experience and which color did you go for? Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I do hope you found it helpful. See you in next video. Ha det bra! Bye!